Hello everyone, and welcome back to your free English speaking course. This is lesson 27, and today we're focusing on something very important for your professional and business life. Business English conversations, meetings, calls, and presentations. If you work in an office, attend meetings, give reports, or speak to clients, this lesson will help you speak English professionally, confidently, and naturally. You will learn how to participate actively in meetings, phrases for business phone calls, how to make professional presentations in English, vocabulary and expressions used in corporate communication, how to sound polite, clear, and confident in every business situation. So, let's begin and boost your professional English fluency. Part 1. English for business meetings. Meetings are a big part of professional life. Whether it's a weekly update or a client discussion, knowing the right phrases can help you sound confident and clear. Here are the key stages of a business meeting and the English phrases you can use. 1. Starting the meeting. You can begin a meeting politely by setting the tone. Useful phrases. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today's meeting. Let's get started, shall we? The main topic for today is. Before we begin, does everyone have a copy of the agenda? Tip. The agenda means the list of topics to be discussed. 2. Presenting your ideas when it's your turn to speak. Use phrases like, I had like to share my thoughts on this. In my opinion, we should focus on improving customer satisfaction. Let me explain our progress so far. If I may add something, be clear and confident. Speak slowly, and pause to let others respond. 3. Agreeing and disagreeing. Politely agreeing. I completely agree with you. That's a great point. I'm on the same page. Disagreeing politely. I see your point, but I think we should also consider. That's an interesting idea, though I have a slightly different perspective. I'm not sure that would work because, in business English, tone is everything. Always disagree respectfully. For ending the meeting. Useful phrases. Let's summarize today's key decisions. Thank you for your valuable input. We will follow up by email. Let's schedule the next meeting for next Monday. Professional meetings always end with a summary and clear next steps. Part 2. English for business phone calls. Phone calls are another vital part of workplace communication. Let's look at the right structure and phrases to use in phone conversations. 1. Answering the phone professionally. Example sentences. Good morning. Company name. This is Sarah speaking. How can I help you? Hello, ABC Corporation. May I know who's calling? Please. Always answer with a smile. It makes your voice sound friendly. 2. Asking for someone. Caller. May I speak to Mr. Ali, please? Could I be connected to the sales department? Receiver. Sure. Please hold on a moment. I'm afraid he's not available at the moment. Can I take a message? 3. Leaving and taking messages. Leaving a message. Could you please tell him that Sarah called? Please ask him to call me back at 030012345667. Taking a message. Certainly. May I have your name and number, please? I will make sure he gets your message. For ending the call politely. Phrases. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. It was nice speaking with you. I will follow up with an email shortly. Keep it polite, short, and professional. Part 3. Business presentations. How to speak confidently. Presentations are where you show your knowledge, confidence, and clarity. Let's break down the parts of a good presentation and useful English expressions for each stage. 1. Starting your presentation. Example sentences. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Ahmed and I'm the marketing manager at ABC Limited. Today, I'd like to talk about our new product launch. Start with energy, confidence, and a smile. 2. Structuring your presentation. Use signposting phrases. First, let's look at next. I'd like to explain. After that, we'll discuss. Finally, I'd will summarize our key points. These phrases help your audience follow your ideas easily. 3. Presenting data and graphs. Useful phrases. As you can see from this chart, the sales have increased by 20% over the last quarter. This graph clearly shows a steady growth trend. Always explain what the numbers mean. Don't just read them. 4. engaging your audience. Example sentences. Does anyone have any questions so far? Feel free to stop me if you had like to clarify something. I had love to hear your feedback at the end. Make your presentation interactive, not a monologue. 5. Ending your presentation. Example sentences. That brings me to the end of my presentation. To summarize, we've discussed 3 key areas. Thank you for listening. I had be happy to answer any questions. End with confidence. Don't rush. Smile, and thank your audience. Part 4. Common business vocabulary and phrases. Here's some essential vocabulary you will often hear in professional English settings. Word, phrase, meaning, agenda, meaning. List of topics for discussion, deadline, meaning. Final date to finish something, update, meaning. New information or progress, feedback, meaning. Comments or suggestions. Client, meaning. Customer of a business, colleague, meaning. Coworker. Proposal, meaning. Formal plan or suggestion. Conference call, meaning. Meeting via phone or video, task, meaning. A specific job or duty. Report, meaning. Written summary of information. Practice these words by creating your own sentences about your job. Part 5. Real business dialogue. Example, let's listen to a short. Realistic office dialogue, meeting conversation. Example, manager. Good morning, everyone. Let's start the meeting. Our goal today is to discuss the new marketing campaign. Employee 1. Sure, I had like to share some ideas about improving our social media engagement. Employee 2. That's great. I think we should also consider increasing our video content. Manager. Excellent suggestions. Let's summarize these and set a deadline for next week. Notice how everyone stays polite, focused, and clear. Business call. Example, receptionist. Good afternoon, ABC Corporation. How may I help you? Caller. Hello, this is Daniel from StarTech. May I speak to Mr. Ali in the accounts department? Receptionist. Certainly, please hold on. I will connect you. Short, professional, and polite. That's the key to great business calls. Presentation, dialogue, example, presenter. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'll present our quarterly sales report. As you can see from this graph, our revenue grew by 25% this quarter. To summarize, our marketing strategies have worked well, and we plan to expand next month. Simple, structured, and confident. That's how a professional presenter speaks. Part 6. Quick practice activity. Repeat after me. Let's get started with today's meeting. Could you please share your opinion on this? May I speak to Mr. Khan, please? As you can see from this slide, our profits have increased. That concludes my presentation. Thank you. Repeat these aloud to build muscle memory and natural fluency. Part 7. Business English communication tips. Be clear and concise. Avoid long, confusing sentences. Use polite phrases like could you please and would you mind. Listen actively, don't interrupt others. Take notes during meetings to remember key details. Keep emails short, clear, and professional. Speak with confidence, not speed. Slow is professional. Part 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Wrong. Myself will present today. Correct. I will present today. Wrong. I didn't receive your email. Correct. I didn't receive your email. Wrong. He don't attend meetings. Correct. He doesn't attend meetings. Good grammar equals good impression in business English. That's the end of lesson 27. Business English conversations, meetings, calls, and presentations. Today, you learned how to start and participate in meetings professionally. English for business phone calls and voicemail messages, how to give clear, confident presentations, key vocabulary, and polite expressions for office English. Keep practicing these dialogues and phrases every day. You will soon feel comfortable in any business situation, whether it's an interview, a meeting, or a conference call. Next lesson, lesson 28. We will move to English for travel and tourism booking, checking in and asking for help abroad.